Alright, what's up everybody? About to make you a little video here about my shit hits the fan gun bag. These are my firearms. Like, if I only had time to grab one bag when I had to leave my home to bug out, I made a little bag because I went to the gun show today and picked up the last little pieces of it. So I thought I'd make y'all a video and show you what I've decided is important for me firearms wise if the shit hits the fan. Now, this is only firearms. I do have a bug out bag for non-firearms materials. I can make another video of that some other time, but since I went to the gun show today, I want to show you some of the cool shit that I bought. So this is my tactical gun case right here. It's got these 5 little compartments, these little Velcro slots that you can store some crap in, and I'm going to show you what I got in all those in a minute. But I wanted to start by showing you what my main gun is going to be, and it's this right here. This is actually a Ruger 1022 with my tactical stock pistol grip and red dot sight. Now, the reason that I chose this gun is deadly. I don't care what anybody says. This gun can kill a person at 300 yards or more if it's accurate, and this one is. This red dot is dialed in and it is dead on accurate. This is really what I feel as far as a rifle goes is all I need, because if the shit hits the fan, I gotta worry about other people, and this thing can take care of other people. As you can see, it's got this adjustable buttstock. That's really awesome. Now, this red dot scope, I picked this thing up at Walmart for $41. This thing is awesome. When I put this thing on, it was already dead on accurate. I barely had to adjust it at all. Now, there was a front part to this stock set. This is the Archangel something or other set. I left it off because it was just stupid. It didn't make any sense to put it on. And that's going to lead me right into some of the stuff I got in the little pouches here. Starting, obviously, anybody who has a Ruger 1022 should know about these. This is the Ruger BX25 magazine. These are made by Ruger. You see they got the same metal lips that the factory magazines come in. I got lead point 22s in there. Got them all loaded. I actually have 3 of these. I'm going to take them all out and show you. Got 2 of them in this pouch. Hold on. I managed to get them out. For a while there, I was just keeping 1 in each pouch, but now I got some extra shit I had to put in there, so now I kind of had to match them up a little bit. And over here, this is just an extra. That's 122 rounds right there. That's all the extra 22s that I do carry. I don't have any more. My magazines are full. I got 1 10-round in there somewhere. And I got that because I'm trying to think of something that I can grab in a hurry, something I can travel with, and this. So you kind of have to limit yourself. You have to prioritize. And I decided that was what I was going to carry if all I could grab was this bag, because as you probably see, the rest of these pouches are full. Now, this is not the only gun that I'm going with in this case. I do think that it's really smart to have yourself a rifle, something you can walk around with, something that's really reliable, and you got to have yourself a sidearm. Now, since I went with the 22, and like I said, I have no doubts that this can handle anything. But at the same time, just if anything to make me sleep a little better at night, I do have something that's a little more kick to it. And that is this. I just got this a few days ago, actually. This right here. This is a Rossi Model 461. It's a 357 Magnum snub nose, 6-shot. Now, what I love about, hold on, try to do this with one hand. I'll push it with my toe. There we go. What I love about these guns is that a 357 Magnum revolver can also shoot 38s. It shoots both. It's like having 2 guns in one. That's important for everybody to know. Anybody who's going out to buy themselves a 38 revolver, you might as well just go ahead, Buy yourself a 357, even if you don't plan on shooting the 357s. You never know. I shot my first 357 out of this today. It does not kick as bad as people say it does. It's got a punch, but it'll tear through some shit. If you ever need something stronger than your 22 or a 38 for that matter, this is perfect. Now, it's kind of short range. It's kind of heavy, but it's a great, great gun. It's powerful. It's reliable. I love it's got this decocking mechanism here. Like that case, because it does not have a safety. This does not have a manual safety to it, but it does take a lot of pounds for square inch to pull this trigger. This is not a light trigger, let me tell you. This is not a kid's gun. This is a beast. This thing shoots. This thing is meant to kill. If you shoot something with this, you better mean to kill it, because you probably will. Alright, moving on. I think they're with the rest I got in here. I also got one of these. These are great. This came with my Ruger when I got it. The little 10-round mag. This is the kind of thing you stick in your pocket. If those run out, or if you don't have time to grab another one, here's an extra 10 rounds you got handy. Pop it right in. Tap, 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 tap. You are good to go. Alright. Now, obviously, you're going to need ammo for this beast right here. And that's what these last two pouches are for. I might rearrange this because I hate that I'm taking up two of the pouch's space for just ammo for my sidearm, but at the same time I feel like it is necessary and important to have both of these calibers with me. So that's why I got one box, just one box each. These are my 38s PMC bronze. I think they are, let's see, 132 grains. They're not really powerful, but you know what? Anybody who talks shit about a 22 has probably said some shit about a 38. This thing is a killer. I don't care if it's only a 132 grain. These work. These will kill somebody, and it'll kill them fast. Now, in the event that you're going up against somebody that, if you're not fully confident with this, that's why I got these. Now, nobody is going to talk any shit about these. The name says it all. 357 Magnum. These things pack a punch. They will shoot through 3 people if they were lined up correctly. This is not a toy. These things don't mess around. I love shooting these things. They kick. It's as strong as you will ever need your pistol to be. People can talk all the shit they want. Say, oh, I got a 45. I got a 40 caliber. I got a 500. This is all you need. This will kill anybody on earth, and it'll kill them fast. If you need fast, strong dropping power, you really don't need anything stronger than what I got right here. This 357 Magnum is all you need. And I think that's about it. This is my setup. I'm gonna give you a little view of the whole thing. Now I also got some extra ammo sitting over there. Got some more 38s, as well. This one's full. That one's about half. This is about 2/3 of the way. More 357s. I do have some buckshot. I do have a H&R Partner Pump Protector. It is not pictured here. You know, it was quite a toss-up whether or not to throw that one in there instead of my my Ruger. But you know what? The H&R, it's a beast of a gun. That thing could take down a bear with a buckshot if you needed it to. But it's heavy, and it hurts to shoot, and it's not something you want to carry around and shoot a lot. You'll get worn out shooting that thing, and that's why this gun is great. This gun is light. It's got basically no recoil. I mean, that's my rifle of choice. You say what you want, but that is it. And you know what? I'm pretty confident. The shit hits the fan. I grab this, and I'm good to go. Hopefully I'll have time. I'll be able to grab those as well. I'll be able to throw my shotgun in the back of the car. I also got a Walther P22 pistol. It's a good little, you know, just a little extra sidearm. You know, if you got some friends with you and they need something to shoot you, give them that. I mean, I mean, that's really all you need. Alright, well, I hope you enjoyed watching. I hope you comment. Try and be nice with the comments. You can talk a little shit if you want. I kind of expect it, but I hope you liked it. And this is Blackbeard signing off. Peace.